if you long here, RSI looks good for a reversal as well. Obviously, you say your stop. Let's go all the way below this low here. This is your target up here. So 200% return. And even with this low stop, 30% loss, you still get a 6-to-1 risk reward ratio. This is the best one I've seen. This looks great. I actually want to buy this. Oh, Sjord even mentioned it. I missed that. Well, then that's an even better signal for this. I like how this one's looking. This is a nice pullback and a potential W formation, and you're at the bottom end of the range. And this one looks good, and you could potentially go to 2.5. So then if you long here, RSI looks good for a reversal as well. Obviously, you say your stop. Let's go all the way below this low here. And this is your target up here. So 200% return. And even with this low stop, 30% loss, you still get a 6-to-1 risk reward ratio. This is the best one I've seen. This looks great. I actually want to buy this. Oh, Sjord even mentioned it. I missed that show. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, well, then that's an even better signal for this. Well, that's OPSEC. I think it looks great. That's a buy for me. TAO. Heard weird things about TAO. Basically, people said it's a scam, essentially. But we're here to just do the technicals and not worry about anything else. So 850, again, this is just like another pullback W, potential double in the future, 850 target. Nothing too crazy about this one. I just see a lot of people talking about it, influencers, stuff like that. Luke Belmar being one of them, obviously. So if we carefully adjust our levels, I can see that this was kind of the tags, and the next one is 1,344. So that's where you could potentially go. Let's say we do get there. So your stop below here, your target up here. So 250% return, 36-to-1 risk reward ratio. You could say your stop all the way down here, and then you've got a 16-to-1. Still really good. 20% loss versus a 250% profit. That's what it's looking like for TAO. Obviously 1000 is a BFRN. You could just take profit there, maybe at like 970 or something. You still got a 7-to-1 risk reward. It's not bad, but I like how OPSEC looks much more. I much prefer it, especially after hearing that Sjord likes it. That's great. So TAO is a 50-50 for me. It's okay. It's okay. If you like it, all right. Fits your plan, feel free to buy it. FET obviously has been around forever. The original AI coin. It already hit our 8.77 target I established a while ago. It looks very strong in the face of this pullback. I don't know where this can go. I really don't. It was at 6 cents before. This is crazy, 6 cents. And then even in 2023, it was 20 cents. How much did it go up? So if you bought it at like 8 cents, you're up 2,450%. Damn. And then if you bought it here, you're still up 1,000%. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. So normally these coins pull back. You can see it all went up to like 50 cents here and pulled back to about 20 cents. Let's see how much of a pullback that it was from here to here. 58% pullback on average. And what about here? We've only gotten about a 40% pullback. I would like to see that bigger pullback, that 60% pullback. Still in an uptrend here. It looks like it's trying to turn around. It looks the same as some other coins. Question is, where do we go from here? I mean, I guess you can just say this is your range, and that's your chaos level, and you target $5. It's another coin where it just seems like it's already taken off. I mean, it went up 2,000%. How much higher do you want it to go? Oh, it's got another, I guess, double potential, but it's just a double. So as long as you're okay with that, I mean, you can make it more, right? You can leverage trade it. You can do 5x leverage, and then suddenly that double becomes a much higher percent. All right, so Telegram ton, that's unique. They already have it on. Wow, I'm surprised they already have it. So 270 all the way up to 7. It was launched that long ago. 1 billion. So it's went up 2,000%. If you can believe that. And Binance only just listed it. I feel like, how can they listed it in 2023? So $2 all the way up to $6. And this was your range that it sat in for a while. 8 is the high level. I mean, it blasted through a lot of these levels. I think $9 is a good target, but I don't see getting, like, I have trouble seeing this move higher than that when you're already up here and you're already potentially starting to put in divergence in the weekly chart. Could you move higher from here? Yes, but I'm kind of trying to find those coins that I think could have a 3, 4, 5, 6x potential. Hopefully this is correct. Is it not? I think it's correct. Okay, on to the next one. Litecoin. So definitely we can find lots of information on Litecoin. Litecoin on a weekly chart. Let's check it out. So this is kind of the range for Litecoin. It's just been sitting in this range here. We can be a little bit more conservative with it. And the potential is it can go to 260. That's what I like to see. So if you longed it right here, got 200% return potential with Litecoin. That's not bad for a boomer coin. You know, if it can even get to somewhere near where it was last cycle. I mean, it went all the way up to 415. Let me see my fibs. Let's get rid of this one. And we'll just extend this all the way up to the previous high and go to the low. So 61.8, just a 61.8 up to the short zone would get you to 300. That's 300%. So between 200 to 300%, you get with Litecoin. I mean, it's been consolidating for long enough. This is a monthly chart, by the way. Look at this monthly chart. You can see, that's about right. So this is a massive long setup for me on a monthly time frame where Litecoin is essentially just consolidating. And at some point, it should just spring higher. Just boom, take off. And if this is your consolidation zone right here to here, then our conservative target, this is my high and this is your low. Conservative target is about 260. I think it's solid for a quote unquote boomer coin.